In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the product quick view Lightbox in Squarespace. Whether you're launching a new product or simply want to enhance the shopping experience on your site, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to make your product images pop and provide a seamless user experience for your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Squarespace account. If you're like me and often forget your passwords, you can utilize the Continue with Google option for a convenient and hassle-free login. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your websites. Select the one you want to modify and let's get started. Next, head over to the Edit option. This is where the magic happens, as you'll customize the Lightbox to your liking. On your editing dashboard, locate the button that says Add Block. This feature is your gateway to inserting different elements such as text, video, or in our case, a product view. Now click on the product option to bring up the product details you're interested in showcasing. Keep an eye out for the little pencil icon. This is your edit tool and will allow you to modify the fields you need. You'll need to search for the specific product you want to highlight in your quick view. It's always best to know the product name or SKU beforehand to speed up the process. Once found, click on the Design tab to access customization options. This tab holds the key to turning on the Product Quick View feature, which gives your customers a quick but immersive look at your product offerings without having to navigate away from the page. Simply toggle the option to On and continue to save your progress. Don't forget to click on Save and Exit. This ensures all your changes are stored securely and ready for your next edit session. For additional customization, go to the Pages section found in the main menu. You'll then access Website Tools, which houses everything you need to refine your site, including our next step, the custom CSS. Coding might sound daunting, but with a simple line or two, you can transform your Lightbox's appearance, making it stand out. Type in your custom code carefully, ensuring you're happy with the preview on the right side of your screen. Finally, hit the Save button to apply your new code. That's it! You've successfully customized your product quick view Lightbox in Squarespace. Remember, first impressions count, and a well-designed product display can boost customer engagement and sales. Experiment with different styles and tweaks to find what works best for your brand. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you enhance your Squarespace site. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.